Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, we will talk about the occasion feature on this watch, Timex Ironman Classic. And yes, let's start by pressing the mode button until we get to the occasion mode, this one, okay? And then the first step is to select the date and then set the occasion. And to do that, you can press the start split button to move forward like this, or you can use the stop reset button to move backward. So let's say I want to set a birthday reminder on January the 15th, like this, okay? And then next we can press the set recall button to activate this one, the occasion setting. And then you can use the start split button to select the occasion or the stop reset also. So this one is the anniversary and this one is a yearly reminder or yearly occasion. Okay, and yes, most are one time, some are repeating yearly like this one, and one of the occasion repeats monthly. So this one, appointment is a one time occasion, and then birthday is yearly, and then billing is one time, billing monthly is monthly, billing yearly is yearly, and then doctor, game, gift, and holiday are one time, and then holiday yearly is yearly, and then multi, other, show, and trip one time. Okay, now let's set to birthday, this one. Okay, and yes, if you're done with the settings, you can press the set recall to exit from this view. But if you want to set other date and other reminder, you can press the mode button. Okay, and let's say I want to set January the 20th as a reminder for appointment. So let's select January the 20th like this one. Okay, and then press the mode button to select the occasion. So let's say appointment like this. And yes, if you're done, you can press the set recall button. But if you want to add another occasion, you can press the mode button and then select the date, and the steps are similar. Okay, now let's press the set recall button and done for the appointment and also the this one, the birthday. Okay, now the next step is to set the alert for the occasions, and to do that we need to get back to current date. You can press the stop reset button to get back, or press and hold to speed up the process. Or if you're already far from current date, you can also use the mode button, so cycle through the modes, and then when it get back to occasion, you will return to current date like this. Okay, and then to set the alert type for the occasion, you can press the stop reset button, so it will go back. But before going back to, let's say, January the 7th, it will reach this one, the alert setup. So this one is between the previous day and current day. Okay, and then for the alert setup, you can press the set recall button on the top left, and yes, it will show something like this. If I want to change the alert for birthday, so for this one, press the start split birthday, and then the birthday reminder is on, and we can set by pressing this one, the mode button. So birthday reminder is on, and then press the mode button, and now the birthday reminder alert is on 8 o'clock. You can change the time like this. Okay, and then press the mode button. Now is for the minute of the alert or reminder. Okay, you can press the start split to increase and stop reset to decrease, and then press the mode button again, and now is how many days before the occasion. For example, if I want to be reminded one day before that, so that I can buy gift and so on, I can press this one, the start split button, to give me one day before. So meaning that the reminder or the alert one day before the birthday. And yes, the option for this one is 0, meaning at the same day, and then 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 9 as the longest. Okay, let's set 1 day before. After that, press the mode button and back to the selection of the occasion. And if you set other date as a birthday reminder, it will also use the same setting. So this one will apply to every birthday reminder or birthday alert. Okay, now if I want to change also, for example, this one, appointment, then yes, press the mode button, and now the appointment reminder or alert is on. But if you want to turn off, you can use the start split or stop reset button like this. Okay, so meaning this one, the appointment is on, and then press the mode button, and now is the time. So let's say I want to set the appointment alert at 6 in the morning. So this one, let me change the hour, and then press the mode button, and now is the minute. Let's say 6:15, like this, and then press the mode button, and now is how many days before. So I want the appointment to give alert at the same day, so meaning 0, like this. And then if you press the mode button, it will return to the appointment type. So meaning now that every appointment on the occasion on this watch will give reminder or alert at 6:15 at the same day. Okay, if you're done with the settings, you can press the set recall button, and then next we can get back to current date and so on. You can press the mode button to get back to the time mode. And that's all for the setting of the occasion. Hopefully useful. Thank you for watching. If you have any tips or suggestion, put in the comment below. It will be very helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Have a great day.